Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have an unboxing for you guys and it is a beauty advent calendar by Lookfantastic. And I'm so excited, I can't wait to open this up. I will put a timestamp of when I start unboxing this so you can jump right to it, but I just want to give a little information about this calendar. Lookfantastic is an online company out of the UK and they ship here in the US. They also have a monthly subscription box that I am subscribed to, and I really do enjoy getting that. I really like getting the products in there, and I think it's a good price for that subscription box. In this beauty advent calendar, it is, an advent calendar where you get 24 or 25 drawers or boxes in here, and every day before Christmas you open something up. But what's special about this one is that it has beauty items in here. It has makeup, skincare, hair care, body care. So it has like a twist on the advent calendar, which I think is quite nice. In this calendar, you get 25 products in here, 25 drawers, and it costs $115 US, and you get products worth, I believe, $390, which isn't bad, and also free shipping, which really is nice. It does take a good 10 to 12 days to get here to the States, which, it's not bad, so you need to take that into consideration if you want to give this as a gift. I'm going to open every single one of these up because, in advent calendars, you open it up one day before Christmas, but I will open up every one of these today, so spoiler alert here for you guys. For one, I'm a big kid. I cannot wait. I'm very impatient and I want to try the products out. And two, I like to open it up so you can see what's inside this box. Because for me, I like to see boxes or calendars before I buy them, because you want to make sure it is something you like when you spend that much money on a product or on a calendar or subscription box. All right, so here it is right here. It comes in a nice red sturdy box with, looks like rays coming out from the center diamond here. And it says Look Fantastic. And it's this deep, about a hand deep. And when you open it up, it has like a little magnetic close. And you open it up, and here are the drawers. I have it on top of a box so you can see everything here. I'm hoping you can. And again, it has 25 products in here, 25 drawers. So let's go ahead and start opening this up. We're going to start with drawer number 1. So yes, you pull it all the way out, and it's wrapped in tissue paper. I'm going to kind of lean myself against this door here so it doesn't open up. All right, first product we got here is by HD Brows. This is a contour and color pro palette. Nice little palette here. And look at that. This is 6 shades of a highlighter, bronzer, and blush. All right, and I think this would be a good shade for me. I like this orange one right here. So that was door number 1. Now let's go in and find door number 2. Right here. It's a tall, skinny one. Something little, again, wrapped in the red tissue. You get a nice little travel size of this product here by Filorga. And this is micellar water. I'll use this to clean my eyes with. This is really nice. And how much you get in here? 50 mils. So that's a good size product in this one. And Filorga, I've heard of that brand, and it's a really nice high-end brand. Number 3 is right here. All right, you get a nice tube here of, okay, this is when I need my glasses. Persian Reed Hair. This is the Wonder Balm. 30 mils of product in this one. This Miracle Leave-In Balm preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products and techniques. So that's a brand I haven't heard of, and I'm excited to try that. Okay, door number 4, it's right here. This one's a light one. And you have a deluxe sample size here of Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Technology Masks. So that's really nice. A good deluxe sample size. You get a ½ ounce of product in here. So that's really nice to try and see if you like Glam Glow. I know the side of this door is kind of bugging me. I feel squished, but we'll get through it. Door 5 up here. Looks like you have a pencil. What kind of pencil? It's Ultra Slim Brow Definer. So brow pencil is by BBB London in the shade Indian Chocolate. Number 6. All right, you have something very small in here. You have a little bottle. It's by Emma Hardy, and it's a Brilliance facial oil. You get 5 mils of product in this one. So a nice little sample of a facial oil. And we're heading into the winter months, so facial oil is really nice for the skin. Okay, 7 is right up here. Another sample of Black Magic Mascara, and it's by Ico. Number 8, right down here. Oh, this one's a heavy one. Molten Brown. This is a shower gel. It's Jasmine and Sun Rose. You have 3.3 fluid ounce. Really nice. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. Number 9 is right here. This here is Regenerate Enamel Science Toothpaste. So we have a toothpaste in here. Really nice. All right, number 10. Here it is up here. I know this brand, Amora Visca. Amora Visca, I believe that's how you say it. This is the More Cream Cleanser. I've been enjoying this brand, really have. And you have 30 mils, 1 ounce of product in this one. You know, this is kind of fun, opening up something every day before Christmas, but right now I'm opening every single one up. But it is still fun. Number 11 is down here. And another nice size tube of Rituals. I did get a calendar by Rituals, an advent calendar by Rituals, and I'll link that video down below, and I really do have been enjoying. My husband has been also enjoying products from the Rituals. It's the Ritual of Secura, the Magic Touch Body Cream. Organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Oh, that smells divine. You have 70 mils, 2.3 ounce of product in this one. Really nice. Door number 12 right here. Oh, we got a little jar in this one. Oh, this is Grow Gorgeous Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. You get 60 mils, which is 2 ounce of product in this one. So this is really nice. I need something to thicken up my hair. All right, 13 right here in the bottom corner. I hope you can see that. Also has the little strings in this one. It's by Balance Me Gradual Tanning Drops. Okay, this one's not for me because I don't need a tan. It says here, easy to apply. You can control the tan intensity depending on the number of drops. That's kind of a weird tanning oil here because it's clear. You have 4 mils in here, which is 0.13 fluid ounce. Again, it's by Balance Me Gradual Tanning Drops. That's something I don't need per se, but you know, I'll probably put it in a giveaway or give it to a family member or friend. 14 up here. Lipstick by Lipstick Queen in the shade Frog Prince. Okay. Oh, it's green. So it's more or less like a lip balm. It's pretty clear. 15 right here. Oh, this is by Sleek Makeup Eye Divine Mineral Based Eyeshadow Palette. Called A New Day. Comes in a little sleek case like that, hence the name Sleek Makeup. You know, a lot of these brands I haven't heard of here in the States, which is kind of nice trying out new brands like this. Here it is right here, kind of neutral tones in here. You have mattes and shimmers, which is really nice. Getting an eyeshadow palette, wow. All right, 16 right here. All right, you have another pencil. What is this? Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen by Doucce. Doki? I don't want to mispronounce that name, but it's Doucce. Deuce, maybe? But here it is, a nice little felt tip pen. 17 is down here. You have a deluxe sample size of Claudalie, the Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. So that's really nice serum. You have 10 mils, which is 0.33 fluid ounce. 18 is right here, a drawer, flat drawer. A good size product of First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. You get 2 ounce of product of here. Really nice brand, First Aid Beauty. 19. You have a deluxe sample size of Espa. That's a brand I've seen, but I haven't tried any of their products. Overnight Hydration Therapy. At 15 mils, which is half an ounce of product in here. Okay, I'm noticing we're getting a lot of deluxe sample size in this one. 20, this little one right here. All right, little sample size of This Works Stress Check Roll On. So it has a little roller ball on top. Roll onto pulse points, enjoy the scent, and unwind. Does smell nice. So I'm rolling it here on my stress points. Oh, that does smell nice, that lavender scent. Oh, that does smell good. 21 is this big one down here. I've been wanting to know what's in that one. Oh, you get 2 products in this one. Mane and Tail shampoo and conditioner. 2 full ounce in each product, in each bottle. That's really nice. You know, I mentioned that they do have a subscription box, and in last month's subscription box, they did have the mane and tail product in here, but it's a hand cream. Hand cream or body cream? I have to look and see, but now I have a set. And I remember when we were younger that this was the it thing to use for your hair. On the shampoo, it's for shiny, manageable hair, and on the conditioner, for thicker, healthier looking hair. Really nice pair. So we got a 2-for-1 here. 22, a makeup brush. So you do have a flat one here and a nice little pointy one here. This would be nice to go underneath the eyes, and this one's nice for maybe a highlighter. Very nice. 23 right here. Okay, this is Aromatherapy Associates. This is De-Stress Muscle Bath and Shower Oil. Oh, my husband would love this. He's really getting into shower oils. Oh, that smells nice. So this is 9 mils, which is 0.3 fluid ounce. Okay, 23, 24, we're almost done. 24 is right here. We have Erno Laszlo. This is a multitask eye serum mask. Love masking and love eye masking too. Okay, so you have 2 packets in here. All right. All right, now we're on the last day, number 25, this big one down here. A brand that I really do like, Illamusca. This is the Beyond Powder Highlighter. I like that little shape compact here. Oh, wow, look at that highlighter. Wow. Let's see what that one looks like. All right, you guys, those are the 25 products that are in this Beauty Advent Calendar by Lookfantastic. And you know, you could probably keep this box as storage. It's pretty good, you know, sturdy storage. I would probably keep Christmas items in here, like ornaments and candles and the sort, but this is a really nice storage box, so I'm going to keep this one. These are the products that are in this Beauty Advent Calendar for 2018, and I'll insert a picture of everything together grouped in one so you can see all the products at once. But all in all, you know, there are products that I haven't tried before, brands that I haven't tried before, and there are several brands that I really like, especially Rituals, Molten Brown, the eye mask, the hair products. So I'm glad I got this box. I'm glad I got this calendar. All right, you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.